Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to get notification on your mobile phone or on your PC. So regardless of that, in this video we're going to be looking at best investment apps in Nigeria you can actually use, and we'll also be looking into their interest rate as well to see if they actually worth it, and which one should you choose when you actually want to invest your money here in Nigeria or anywhere you are in Africa or anywhere regardless. So we are going to be looking out to the best app you can actually use to invest your money, and then as well as their interest rate to know which one you should actually go with and which one is very bad for you to go. Probably you might have been having an eye on one of the app and you don't know how you can actually get started. The app you might be eyeing might also be included in this video. So since I research for the best apps you can actually use to invest your money here in Nigeria, and there are different kind of reasons why you might actually want to invest your money. Probably you're trying to save up money for school fees, rent, food, and some other stuff. Like maybe you want to actually buy a car, so you might want to build a house, so you might actually want to save money so that you won't be spending it. So this app I will listing in this video, which I'll also be reviewing, will definitely help you to do anything you actually want to, and then you can actually choose which of these investment app is definitely best for you. Then you can actually choose from there and see how it goes. So I wish you best of luck in any of the app you actually choose to invest your money. The first app we'll be looking at is Cowrywise, and then you can actually get this app on Google Play Store. You can download Cowrywise from Google Play Store and then just click on open from there, so you'll be able to have access to Cowrywise app. So this is the home page. I just download the app and register on the mobile app and see what they actually have in there. So after you download your own app, you can actually swipe up to the invest option here, and they have two options where you can actually invest within Naira mutual fund and as well as USD mutual fund as well. So depending on the one you actually want to go with. So I prefer to go with Naira mutual fund since we are dealing with Nigerian currency. So I'll choose on Naira, then invest in Naira mutual fund. So you can see this I also choose a fund you actually want to invest in. So we have United Capital Money Market Fund, which has 11.23 interest rate. So, and we also have Afrinvest Plutus Fund, which is 7.34. Meristem Money Market Fund, Trust Bank Money Market Fund as well. So there are different kind of investment offer on Cowrywise, which you can actually choose from. So you can see these are the investment platform: moderate and then the aggressive one. So then conservative one. So I will try to click on the United Capital Money Market Index. So we'll see what's going on there. So these are the amount you can actually invest on Cowrywise with this option. So try to choose on 50,000 investment offer. So let's see what we have there. Invest now. So on 50,000 units, so the value, it doesn't show the value. Change payments method, or probably because I don't actually have money in my account, so that's why it's not showing. So I can understand that, but between you can actually see the interest rate on and how what you can actually expect as at month end or on annual basis based on the offer you actually choose and how you actually decide to just invest your money on Cowrywise. So you can look into it, see how much you'll be making or you'll be getting as at month end or on annual base. So then you definitely know if this Cowrywise is actually the best for you to invest your money. So that is just for Cowrywise. The next app we'll be looking out to is PiggyVest. So I already downloaded the PiggyVest app as well. So this is the home page of PiggyVest app. So almost all these apps actually have closed interface. So yeah, these are the options if I actually invest money. So this is savings, we have savings, we have invest, we have app, we have account. So you can just click on savings in the middle here. So you say invest with Investify, try Investify today. So I would like to see the investments. So we have Sundry Food Limited Series, Trust Bank, and you can also see we have Trust Bank and the Cowrywise as well. So literally the interest rate is actually the same. So and the return in 9 months is 11.8%. So we have Verify Real Estate, we have Coleman Series 11.77. Then some other investment offer as well. You can also invest in cassava, you can also invest in cashew nuts, you can also invest in katsu, other sweet potato farm. You can see there are a lot of investment offer here, and most of it are even sold out. So you have to be checking often and often to see if the option is open, then you can input or join the investment. So these are really great. So I would like to scroll up again and see what you should be expecting if you choose maybe Sundry Food, if you want to invest in Sundry Food. So and I also see another great offer here, which is okay, I guess all of them are sold out. The cassava farm investment, so almost all of them have sold out. So I think these are the available ones, and people already invest in this one too. Over 200 people already invest in Sundry Food, 95 investors on Trust Bank, and over 7,000 on real estate investment. So let's try and see what's in the real estate investment. Although they don't have the interest rate in the home page, so we don't know what we should be expecting. So let me try to click on invest now and see what we have there. Wow, this is great. Number of shares to purchase at 5,000 per share. So let's say for instance we want to buy 4 shares, which is for 20,000 naira. So then you can click on proceed. So we are buying 4 shares. Please select a valid payment method. Oops. Okay, let's use Piggy wallet. So even though I don't have any money in the Piggy wallet, so okay, so this is the investment. So type of assets is invested in real estate, right? Investing in real estate. Number of shares acquired, 4 shares. Amount of invested today, 20,000 naira. Projects value by December 2023, that's over a year. Project growth by December 31 2023, over 28%. So probably this is actually a great investment since the interest rate is higher. So literally you can actually just decide to just proceed with this investment. So you can see, you already see the rate, the interest rate you should be expecting, as well as some other investment offer, which is 11.8 interest rate for 9 months. So you can just think about which one you would like to go to, then you can proceed and invest your money wisely. So this is the second investment app we'll be looking at on best app you can actually use to invest your money. So let's look at the third app which you can actually use to invest your money. So the number 3 investment app here in Nigeria today is Branch. What is Branch and how it actually works? People use Branch app for different kind of stuff. People use Branch app to get a loan. People invest money with Branch. So and there are a lot of features on Branch mobile app. We also have ATM card you can actually use to withdraw money and save money or purchase something online. So but we actually need it for investment offer. So you can just click on the investment offer once you already download the app from Google Play Store. So I'll also provide download link for each of these apps, which will make it easy for you to get. So I'll click on invest. So we have 2 options here which you can actually choose from. So we have fixed investment and also have flexi investment. Under the fixed investment, you can lock in your investment for 1 to 12 months and can create multiple investments for your goals. You can idle your money you don't want to touch, so you can invest the money you don't want to touch. So under the flexi investment, you can add money anytime to your account. You can withdraw your money instantly with no penalty, and so you can earn interest rate on a weekly basis. So you can decide on which one you actually want to go to. You can choose and see which one works for you before you proceed on to them. So let's try to check on the fixed investment. So it asks to input the amount I actually want to invest. So let's say for instance I want to invest 100,000 naira. So wow, okay, so if I'm investing 100,000 naira with fixed investment, so in the next 30 days I'll be able to get 1,644 interest rate. With 2 months, which is 60 days, I'm going to get 3,288, and with 365 days I'm going to get 20,000 naira, which is in a year. If I choose to invest my money in a year, so I'll be able to get 20,000 interest rate with the capital investment of 100,000 naira. So let's try to see on the flexi amount and see if what offer do we have there. So with flexi investment, this is 15% interest rate per annum. So for 30 days investment, you're going to get 1,239, and for 90 days, that's 3 months, you're going to get 3,762 naira, as well as for 1 year, you're going to get 16,158. Instead, for the fixed one, we have 20,000 naira. So I think the fixed one is actually makes sense. So far, you actually want to invest the money you are not using. So that's a great way to have best interest rate and best reward for your money. So this is the third app which we'll be reviewing in this video, which will add the best app to invest your money here in Nigeria, as well as their interest rate on each of these apps. The number 4 app which we'll be looking at is OP. OP is a great app and it's been in existence for a while. And you know, if you have been earning by OP, they also have a ride back then. I don't know what actually happened to them. So they have ride feature on the mobile app, but now they have other features of giving out a loan to people who actually need money, transferring money from one bank to another, as well as paying electricity bills, buying data, betting, airtime, TV subscription, as well as some other deals as well. So, and that is that for OP. So under the finance, we have different kind of features here with target, all wealth, save box, fixed money, spend and save, then savings report as well. So I already make a video regarding this OP app in particular, and I already explained everything, almost everything about OP, and how I also invest money with OP and what I was actually expecting in return from OP mobile app. So I actually invest my money in O Wealth, which gave 15% interest rate. But literally, I don't actually understand the O Wealth interest rate before, but now I think I do. So I was actually thinking probably the interest rate is on a daily basis, so I don't know it's actually have a time. So I try to invest 3,000 naira on the mobile app of OP mobile app. So this is the return I've seen so far. I think it's over a week now. So as you can see, yesterday income is 1.21 naira, so which sounds like for 3,000 investment. And then they claim to give 15% interest rate. So I was actually expecting that maybe they are going to give me interest rate on a daily basis. So I don't know, or they are just crediting my account based on how much I earn on a daily basis. So yeah, so that's it. So let's now take, for instance, you want to invest with OP on O Wealth. So you want to invest 100,000 naira. So on a daily basis, you'll be getting 38.29 naira, and in 30 days, you get 1,155 naira, and on a yearly basis, you get 15,000 naira. So this is different from other apps which you will be looking at. So let's check on another investment, which is probably fixed one. So let's try the fixed investment. So you can see what you should be expecting. So for 7 days to 60 days, you should be expecting 15% interest rate, and for 61 days to 180 days, you should be expecting 16% interest rate, and for yearly, you should be expecting around 18%. So probably this fall into the same interest rate with others. So let's try to put 100,000, sorry. So pick a date. So let me try to pick 365 days, which is a year. So let me try to invest what's up amount, details of your plan, O Wealth balance coming, fixed 100,000. Operation fee, please check in your perimeter. I don't know what they mean by this, but literally this is what you should actually be expecting. This interest rate is what you actually need to look into when you're trying to invest the money with OP, under which O Wealth is underneath. So you can also check some other investment offers, so to see the one that actually works for you. So you can check on the Target, which offer 15% interest rate, SafeBox offer 15% interest rate, as well as Spend and Save. So you can watch the video in the top right corner or left here to see and understand every details about each of these options, so you definitely know what they mean and how you can, which one you should actually choose when you're trying to invest on OP. So these are the 4 investment apps here in Nigeria which I found so far, and I believe that they're actually great if you actually want to invest your money. If there is money you are not using and you would like to just save it so that you won't just spend the money on budget, so you can just try one of these apps and see if they actually worth it at the end of the day. So these are what I actually have for you in this video, and if you have any question regarding any of this app, you can drop a comment below and I'll be happy to reply to it as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. I will definitely see you in the next one. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it really means a lot to me. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.